Hello there, and welcome to our first installment of Engineering Parabolas. I'm given 3 points, and I need to find the equation of the parabola that hits all 3 of them. Fortunately, 2 of those 3 points are x-intercepts. So I know that it has to go through these points, and I can already begin to structure the rule that way. I'm going to put it into factored form because I know when I put in a 2 minus 2, this is going to be 0. It doesn't matter what this is, doesn't matter what the scalar in front is, the whole thing's going to be spat out as a 0. Same thing for the 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Don't matter what the rest is, you're going to get a 0. So that's my factored form. But I need a certain number out here, a scalar, so that it'll actually go through 0, 4. And I don't know what that scalar is, so I'm just going to put it down as a k. And I'm going to use the fact that it goes through 0, 4 to solve for k. Graphically over here, when I plot that 0, 4, I'm already getting an idea that my parabola should look like this. It's going to have a certain kind of pitch. I just need to figure out what that pitch is by solving for k there. So, using this third all-important point, I'm going to plug in a 0 and try to figure out what value of k is going to spit out a 4. And just start simplifying, more simplifying. And the trick here is recognizing that this f of 0, using this point, my insertion is the 0, that's my input, my output needs to be a 4, so f of 0 is equal to 4. My y-intercept's 4 there. Then we can divide and solve for k. Note, it's not 4. Now I want to get this in standard form, so I'm going to take this k of a 4th and plug it back into this original equation here. So there's the original one, and that 1/4 comes out in front. Now when I'm converting this to standard form, I generally do this part first, instead of distributing the 4th through. I can't distribute the 4th through to both of them. That would treat it like there were 2 4ths, or 2 1/4ths, actually a 1/16. I'm not doing that. I'm going to do this section. That section's in parentheses. I'm going to FOIL it. X times x is x squared. X and negative 8, so negative 8x and negative 2x, so negative 8 and negative 2 makes negative 10. And the last one's negative 2 and negative 8 makes positive 16. Put those in purple parentheses to denote that that's what I got from foiling. And now I just distribute that 4th to everything. So I get 1/4 x squared minus 10/4 is going to reduce. And then 1/4 times 16, I get my y-intercept. And my y-intercept was the 4 from way back up here. Now I can take this final part, plug it into a calculator, make sure that it hits these 3 necessary points, and then I know that I've done it right. We'll do some more of these. Stay tuned for the second installment of Engineering Parabolas, Character and Scholarship for Life.